Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, the package we have all been waiting for its final year. I'm holding the brand new DJI Mic Mini, the ultra compact wireless system for creators. Let's open this and see what's inside the box. Documents, this is the carrying pouch, and inside this carrying pouch, there is a DJI mic. Let's open this carrying pouch. This is the windscreen. Total, there are 4 windscreens. This is the camera audio cable and USB-C charging cable. This is the charging case, and inside this charging case there is a mic. Let's open this pouch and see what is inside the charging case. This is the Mic Mini. This is transmitter. At center there is a receiver. So this is a transmitter number 1, which is nothing but a mic come with a magnetic clip. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver, and this is another one transmitter, which is nothing but a mic. So there are 2 mics, 1 receiver, and there is a mobile phone adapter. That's it. This is camera audio cable and USB charging cable. Thank you.